Hello everyone, welcome back to Shifting News, a unique channel that will amaze you with interesting and educative facts in different areas across various cities, countries, and touching on various stories and personalities. In this video, we explore how transformation is taking place along the Nairobi Expressway in terms of beautification. In simple terms, we can say the flowers of Nairobi Expressway. Be sure to watch this video until the end, like it, comment, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Let us walk back in times of history. The year is 2015, and the then President of the United States of America, Barack Obama, is to make his first ever visit to Kenya as a serving US President. Do you remember who was the governor of Nairobi City County by then? Don't scratch and strain your mind. It was Dr. Evans Kidero. Do you remember about the Kidero grass? The much discussed, broadcasted and published story by both local and international media houses was a beautification program initiated by the governor. The program was along Mombasa Road, Uhuru Highway, and Waiyaki Way as a way to beautify the city ahead of the visit by former US President Barack Obama. I am sure everyone was amazed with how beautiful the city was. Then came in Governor Mike Sonko, who initiated another beautification program in early 2018 to make the city match other world cities. With the flowers and green grass, the city was changing very well. Then came in the expressway in October 2019. Once the construction of Nairobi Expressway was commissioned, it meant that most of the wonderful greener sections of Mombasa Road, Waiyaki Way, and Uhuru Highway had to be cleared. We now know that the construction progress is way above 50%. In our tour, we have noted unique progress, and you can see the beautification program is back again. Flowers are being planted, making this road look more unique, colorful, and beautiful of course. We hope that nobody will come to tamper with the flowers to ensure that they become attractive sights, good for relaxation once the construction is complete. Please like the video and also subscribe to this channel if you are new. Click on the notification bell to ensure that you do not miss out on all our new uploads. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.